Mountain Bird and Loquat by Richard Weissman. Chinese mountain bird's white belly hungers for sweet. The fragrant yellow loquat magnets him, steady perched midst fragile, gnarled branches, near enough to feed, yet he wavers uncertain. Black eyes quick dart all round, ever mindful, ever searching, lest he fall prey. He longs for safety of nest, but loquat's aroma and sun-yellowed color again call. Bravely he beaks through downy, red-blushed skin, emboldened by succulent, tangy, sweet, white-yellow flesh. He repeats until full, now soars skyward to home, readies for night, while broken, sun-yellowed loquat remains. Exposed brown seeds weep ever earthward, sacrificial in dimmed light. End of poem.